up on top, me I give them that one your name. Me say that junior it's like weapon every street.
It's the Shutdown King.
Good evening, Ghana. Oh, it's morning. My deepest condolence to Kofi Ansah. Kofi Ansah set us a pace in Ghana in terms of fashion, and we all look up to get to that level. So, yes, sharp.
We're here to present Best Collaboration.
And the nominees, please.
Together has always been better. Best Collaboration of the Year. Odopa, Castro featuring Baby Jet and Kofi Kinata.
Baby Jet, give me my mo. You are my baby. I wanna see you smiling, see you laughing.
Down on One, Sarkodie featuring Fuse ODG.
You make me wanna put down the one in it. Put down the one in it.
Slow Down, R2B's featuring Wizkid. Adult Music, Kwabena Kwabena featuring Samini. Azonto Boys, Guru featuring Lil Wayne.
Oh baby, don't worry. Hey, don't worry. Lil what? Oh baby, don't worry.
Hot Cake, Pop Skinny featuring Shatta Wale.
It's how we are upkick. When I'm touch yourself, we are upkick.
Nyamia Guama, Joy's Blessing featuring Jiwolaka. Tonga, Joey B featuring Sarkodie.
All because of
Okay, before I go on to mention the winner, Pokello, please do a 360 of your dress for Ghana. Let's see what's going on there. Okay, and this dress was proudly made by
Elikem the tailor.
Right. Before we mention the winner, I would like to tell Ghana and the rest of the world how amazing this beautiful woman is. She pushes me a lot. You know what they say, behind a successful man is a woman. And I would want to spend the rest of my life making beautiful clothes for you, Pokello.
That's the first.
Pokello, will you marry me?
Yes.
And that's a Vodafone first.
Which finger is it?
Oh, yeah. Congratulations, Pokello. This is a Vodafone Fest. This is a Vodafone Fest happening right here at the Vodafone Ghana Music Awards 2014. That's right. Make some noise. Congratulations to the both of you.
And the winner is
Kwabena Kwabena featuring Samini.
Adult music. That's all.
Hey. Congratulations, Kwabena Kwabena. Hey. Samini.
Hello. To be fair, I want to dedicate this to my late brother, Emmanuel Anson. Thank you all for voting for us. God bless you. And this is my boss, Ashes.
Thank you to Ghana. Thank you, KB Music.
Thank you very much indeed, Samini and Kwabena Kwabena. And I have to say a very big congratulations one more time to Pokello. Now, that was an amazing Vodafone moment. It's part of the Vodafone Fest. Congratulations one more time. Up